green. 400 horsepower about to be unleashed. The smoke is on, the power is up. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Skip Stewart and Prometheus. He immediately rolls into night fetch flight. 90-degree bank on takeoff at ground level. Look at that, folks. Right down our show line. The one, the only, Mr. Skip Stewart. Now Skip and that nose down, power up, 400 horsepower on the nose of Prometheus, brings it right down there, you can see it, brass level. Down below the power line, he brings that airplane right back up, climbing on a 45, twisting, turning as he unloads it out there off that left end zone. Now he stuffs that forward stick, brings it back into his lap, and comes right back on reversing course. Down, steading out, there's 200, 210, 220 miles an hour as Prometheus hunts for the sky. Steps on the rudder, knife edge to knife edge tumble right on around and continues climbing on that 45-degree upline. Direct your attention to Airshow Center and Skip maneuvers out there. His ground support team have strung two poles together across that runway. They're spread apart approximately 40 feet. The wingspan on Prometheus is about 22 feet. hey Skip, shows back over here. We said he was low before, but he's below the treetops. He's below the grass. All I can see is the smoke. There he comes out again. Okay. All right, let's watch as he comes around out here off that left side. Again, taking a look out there, making sure everything looks normal, making sure everybody's keeping their yards in good order. The grass is cut nice on the golf course. So you watch him turn around out here. Get ready. Skip is going to attempt to put that airplane between those two poles and underneath that lowest ribbon, which is only 8 feet off the ground. Let's watch out here. Skip approaches from our left side. He's showing about 200 miles an hour on the airspeed indicator. He's got it right down on the deck. Can he keep the entire airplane under him? Here he goes. He did it, folks. Whoa! Where's the needle? Skip Stewart is going to attempt to cut the top ribbon and the top ribbon only. When the airplane, he's going to be flying upside down. He rolls the inverted. He's got the ribbon in his sight. Here he comes, here he comes. Oh yeah, top ribbon only. Oh man. Give him a hand, folks. That's Skip Stewart. That's incredible flying. Skip says, you know what? I got one out there yet. I can't leave that. To slice that bottom ribbon with the aircraft in knife edge. Right now, those planes are doing nothing other than looking pretty. As Skip comes in on it right now, he's down there. Look at that tail is only 2 feet off the ground. He sliced the ribbon. Unbelievable. Skip Stewart, ladies and gentlemen. Let's hear it for him. That is incredible flying. That is the one, the only, Mr. Skip Stewart and the triple ribbon. Unbelievable. Great job, Skip. And now, going down there, check it out. Is that like a par 4 down there, is it, Scotty? Yeah, he's below the golf flags actually, so he's okay. Now Skip climbs to a little altitude. He'd like to dedicate this next portion of his air show to his friends who fly helicopters. Watch right now as he literally hovers Prometheus out there. Hanging there, hanging there, hanging there. Watch the temperature going up. His oil temperature's going up. He's just hanging there, hanging there. He's okay, it's getting warm. Let's drop the nose. Let's fair start to blow over it. And he exits out here off of air show right. Look at that, folks. He is inches off the pavement. He powers off as he gets down towards the left end of our crowd area. He'll be setting back up for his landing sequence.